pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice. Make your pure bliss, very cool like an ice.
So for this recipe, guys, we'll be needing a bowl. For the ingredients, our tomatoes. This is baking soda. This is oatmeal. You can also use rice flour as an alternative. This is goat milk powder, and here I also have a turmeric powder. So I'll start by slicing my tomatoes. Tomatoes has so many health benefits to the skin. Google this, guys. You see what tomatoes does to the skin. So you just need to chop one medium-sized tomatoes into small slices. Then you can use a blender, or I'll be using my mixer to get the juice out. So here I have my one medium-sized chopped tomatoes, and I'm going to be using my mixer now to mix, because I need some of the tomato juice. To be blending until you get so your consistency just a bit. We need just the juice from these tomatoes. So guys, right now I'll be sieving out the tomato juice. Into another bowl. I still have my chunks of tomatoes in there. This doesn't go to waste. I'll be using this later to make some delicious tomato sauce. Guys, now I already have my tomato paste. I'm going to be adding in oatmeal powder, also I'll be adding in my goat milk powder, and then into the mixture I'll be adding in turmeric powder, I'm going to mix this together. Wow, this is exactly what I'm looking for, this consistency. We're going to be getting our body mask. This body mask is really good for the skin. It will help polish your skin. And then I'll be adding in my baking powder into the mixture. Mix very well. That's it, guys. So guys, after mixing, leave to set for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Then you can turn it into your desired bowl, and your body mask is ready to be used. This body mask can be applied on the face and also all over the body. You can apply this mask 15 minutes before you have your bath. This body mask will leave your skin looking flawless, smooth, and it will help your skin have that glow. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you can be updated with every new video I make. Give this video a like and share to your friends and family.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.